amazing lake/riverfront retreat. This 4-bedroom/3.5-bath home sits right on the Chatuge River. This beautiful home comes with 127 feet of lake/river frontage and is on the upper end of the lake where it joins the river. The master suite and laundry room are located on the main level. Open living/kitchen area with a stone gas log fireplace. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms/1 bath with an office/TV room. On the terrace level you will find a nicely finished 1 bedroom/1 bath with kitchen and dining room area, living room and a large laundry room closet that would be perfect for a mother-in-law suite or a vacation rental for extra income. Lots of decking for entertainment and brand new steps getting to the water. This home has so much more to offer. Enjoy tubing, kayaking or relaxing by the fire pit with friends or bring your fishing pole.